Hey guys, this is Erica. I'm so excited to announce that I have the Samsung Galaxy S3. I just got it today, a few minutes ago actually. I haven't played around with all the necessary features yet to be able to give you a full review, so I'm just giving you the fun, quick overview, and then in time I'll definitely give you guys more of an update. Here's the main screen. Turn that back on. Swipe to the right. See some presets here. Nothing I've changed, and that writing that you see, of course, is the cover, because I don't have a screen cover, because I don't have a screen protector, so that I haven't peeled that part off yet. But here's some of the presets. I haven't even began to program anything in yet, but if I hit here, the apps button, you see these pages of apps. That is standard. It came standard. So this is the 16 gig T-Mobile, by the way, version. Alright, so it's just showing a couple things that we have. voice so far hasn't been too cooperative. I'll show you guys another video with that, but right now I want to show you the cool ringtones that it has because of the nature theme that it is reportedly that it has. To access the ringtones, we go to settings, and I go to sound right here up under the device tab, and then we see volume, vibration, device ringtone. Touch that. Just show you some of the things that they have. A silent, of course. Here's Bird Song by the Lake. I'll go a little quicker here. Dandelion. Bug Story. Desert Sunrise. Drifting Downstream. Eagle's Call. Fairy Fountain. Fog on the Water. Gentle Spring Rain. Let's see what else. That's Heartbeat of the Wild. High Tide. Jungle Drums. Jungle Trek is next. Midnight Picnic. Moonlit Beach. Moonlit Reminiscences is next. Has a lot. Mother Nature. Mountain Temple. Nighttime Oasis. Over the Horizon. Raindrops. Rays of the Sun. Sea Breeze. Seaside. Sparkling Mist. Y'all know the T-Mobile jingle, so I can skip that. The Journey Begins. The Secret Forest is next. Tribal Summoning is next. Underground Pool. Underwater World. And then Walk on the Seaside. Alright, so those are the ringtones for the T-Mobile Samsung Galaxy S3.